The revolution shall not be televised. Hello and welcome, this is Mr. Sunjata, and on this episode we talk about the future. So we're living in the 21st century and everything is changing around us. It's 2017, everybody's excited about the new year, and there are a couple of changes that you should expect, of course, going further into the future. Among the changes that you should expect to see is the rise or the dominance of soft power. Now, what I mean by soft power is the dominance of software in everything. The world runs through systems, going from education to government to just about anything that's happening. Systems have to be put in place for that to run. And most of these systems cannot be seen, cannot be touched, they are not tangible, but their effects can be felt. You can feel the effect of government, you can feel the effect of education. And so, what is it about soft power that makes it just work? Software is taking over everything, going from education to banking to agriculture to even government. Right now there are a lot of things that are coming up that will probably change the way we see things in the coming future. And if you think this is not true, just look back 10 years ago when M-Pesa was actually being initiated. It started out as something that people did not really trust, but with time softwares get to be improved and they get to be developed to a much better stage, and that's what has happened. Look, right now everybody's dependent on M-Pesa. Look what happened last year when Uber came into Kenya. We saw a lot of resistance, and that is what should happen. Human beings usually just resist change, like all animals, but change has to happen anyway, whether you like it or not. So software is taking over the world, and it's not just in transport, it's not just in banking, it's going to happen in education, it's going to happen in a lot of industries, in the media industry. Everything is going to be taken over by software. That is just my prediction for the future 2017 going forward. And that is essentially what I'll be talking about in this channel. I'll be talking about software, I'll be talking about how the world is changing, I'll be talking about tech, we'll be reviewing it, I'll be asking for your comments about it, I'll be showing you what works, what doesn't work, and maybe here and there I'll be throwing in some few tutorials to make sure that we are all on board on what is happening and every new development that is happening in the software world. So I'm excited, I hope you're excited. So be sure to subscribe, stay tuned, because I'll be back with more videos. My name is Mr. Sunjata. See you on the next one.